Alright, we've got a new file. I'm going to close the holes as I've demonstrated before. So we're going to fill holes. Let's fill this hole there. Shift right click to place the cursor. Go to arch cutting, and we're going to trim this to make a nice model so that we can block it out. Okay. Trim, clean, and make a base. Then block out. Name lower, offset. Offset depends on, I don't know how much you need. Finish. Survey lower. Okay, this looks alright. Survey. Make sure you've got it correct. And make the passive model. Okay, then we're going to finish this model. Then we're going to be cutting this. So what I want to do is in the outliner, we're going to have a look at my other model underneath, my original model. This model, we're gonna cut this, but we're going to make this a little bit transparent. Then we can see the bar underneath it. So in the model designer, we're going to click on here, 0.5, and then we can see what's underneath. Make sure this one is selected. Then we're going to go, actually, we need to put this into this collection first, working model. Then we're going to make it more transparent. Let's just give it a 0.5. You see, now I can see what's underneath it. Make sure that one is selected. We're going to then make a surface drawing. Okay. Oh, okay. This one we need to make more transparent. So let's just get out of it, select it, and I'll put it 0.5. But we need to see the original model underneath, like that. Okay, tab. You see now we've got a visual appearance of where because I can see how you cut it. You cut it very different from mine. Okay, so you've got it on the top. You see now we can actually see where the bar is. Because I took it down to the tissue level. So I don't know what this is here. This is not good, because this is, I don't know what this is. So maybe it's a defect of the scan or something. I don't know. Survey, block out. Remember, we're not actually using those because this bar has already been blocked out. Okay, select it, margin, and click on this one here. That'll offset the other side, you see. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go down and create a tube. Maybe save it. File, save as, save it to whatever. So go down to the implant tubes here, make a tube, accept. Good. So we need this implant locator. So here, tools. Okay, I'm going to click on the implant locator. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to just move it in like this. So note, this is going to be selecting. It's going to be selecting this one and this one and the other one and this one, you see. So, okay. Next, take this one and we're going to propose a border that'll fuse this one with this one. Now this border could look irregular at this stage because it's a very complicated bridge structure, and also it has to come out all the way, so it's coming out a long way. So this does not look acceptable, okay, but that's okay. We can change that. Tab to get out of it. Actually, take this one, magnet tool is on, Shift D, extrude. Take this one, Control L on the keyboard, and delete these vertices. Now we're going to go with this one. Okay, so I'm going to extrude this all the way. Now you may want to see this one in the front. Tab, select it, go to this one over here and click on this in front. Okay, then you can see what you're actually doing. Okay. Okay, go all the way. I may include something on the menu so we can draw this line automatically without having to, do the shift, the control L and all of that stuff. So, okay, so we've got that here. I'm going to subdivide this one. Okay, so click on the plus sign. And I may subdivide it one more time. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to trim this. So cut mesh. If it doesn't cut, we have to go back. Alright, so it's done it. I didn't expect that, but anyway, it's done it. And then complete. So this has taken me now 8 minutes, but if you know what you're doing without recording and explaining, it will then be a bit faster. Let's just have a look and see what we have here. Okay. So here we've got that. I'll just hide the other stuff. And this block out, I'm just going to hide this as well like that. And then we're going to smooth it down like that. Give it a quick smooth down to get a nicer geometry, yeah. So there you go. That's it. So it is quite difficult maybe, but once you sort of understand how these things work, I think it should be okay. Okay, and exit. And we can see we've got a nice fitting surface as well. You see, it's a nice mesh structure. We've got our support margin. We've got everything there that we need. So this has not taken me too long. Please watch this video, and if you've got questions, let me know. Okay, bye.